Bacterial rebellion, the hidden war inside your body. In a land called Bodyland, our heroes aren't as powerful as they used to be. Something strange is happening.
For years, we were the heroes, the ones who saved millions, but now, bacteria aren't afraid of us anymore.
When antibiotics first entered medicine in the 1940s, they were incredibly effective at eliminating disease-causing bacteria. Many people believed infectious diseases would eventually become a thing of the past, that one day bacterial infections might even be wiped out completely. But history had other plans.
I was the first hero. I am Penicillin, the nightmare of the Streptococcus.
He's actually right. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928 launched what became known as the golden age of the antibiotics, a period that reached its peak during the 1950s. Penicillin works by weakening the bacterial cell wall. Without that protective wall, bacteria simply can't survive. For a while, it looked like we'd won, but then something unexpected happened. Bacteria started fighting back. Guys, wait, hold on. Can't you see I'm talking here? As I was saying, and they adapted faster than anyone imagined. The rapid rise and spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, especially multi-drug-resistant strains, revealed something important. We had underestimated just how adaptable microbial life can be. Microbial populations contain enormous genetic and metabolic diversity. That diversity allows them to develop survival strategies against threats in their environments, including us. And almost every scientist introduced a new antibiotic. It wasn't long before resistant bacteria appeared. Groups of bacteria gather together and build protective communities called biofilms. Think of them as heavily defended fortresses. These fortresses create a protective shield around the bacteria living inside. Many antibiotics can't penetrate that shield effectively, and if another bacterium manages to enter the fortress, it becomes part of the club. The bacteria inside begin sharing useful survival tools, including antibiotic resistance genes. Now the newcomer can resist certain antibiotic too, and it starts helping strengthen the fortress. Over time, the resistance colony grows larger. Well folks, as you can see, the bacteria are becoming resistant. But let's be honest for a moment, they are not the only ones responsible for this crisis. We helped create it. Doctor, what do you think? What's driving antibiotic resistance?
There are several reasons. One major problem is the overuse of antibiotics. A lot of people take antibiotics for every cold or sore throat they get. But here's the thing. Some infections are caused by bacteria. Others are caused by viruses. Antibiotics only work against bacteria. They do absolutely nothing against viruses. So if you have a viral infection, taking antibiotics won't help. Sometimes what you really need is rest, fluid, and time to recover. Not a handful of pills. Another major issue is stopping treatment too early. Every antibiotic has a prescribed course. Even if you start feeling better, you should finish the treatment exactly as directed. Stopping early can leave behind bacteria that survive, and those survivors may become resistant. And then there is a widespread use of antibiotics in the livestock farming. That's a serious concern, because antibiotic resistance threatens many achievements of modern medicine. It makes infections harder to treat, and it increases the risk associated with surgeries, C-sections, organ transplants, and even cancer chemotherapy. Every time we misuse antibiotics, we are giving bacteria another chance to train, another chance to evolve, another chance to become stronger.
Thank you, Dr. Amoxi. As the doctor explained, antibiotic resistance is largely a problem we created ourselves. But that doesn't mean the battle is lost. There is still hope. With your help, we can be heroes again. And you have a role to play in this fight. Every responsible use of antibiotics brings us one step closer to pushing resistant bacteria back. So please, be a hero. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure inside Bodyland.